At C Collective, we work with a stitching unit that's located in Bangalore, India. It's owned and operated by two women, which is very important to me. They've created a unit that's very clean, bright, and open. It's been very important to me to find the right groups to work with. Stitching is the final process for a garment. The fabric gets stitched and turned into the garment that you wear, so it's a piece of their journey that's very valuable. Mass production can often be a less than desirable environment to work in. I wanted to make sure that I found a factory to work with that was a safe and inspiring workplace with good hours that are fair and good wages that are fair. The workers are happy. They are not in some line doing the same thing over and over again. There's the master tailor who's working with the pattern pieces. There's the cutting of the fabric. There's the stitching of the garment. And there's the finishing and ironing. We also have someone in-house who does all the hand embroidery. No matter where you're buying your clothing from, there will always be a lot of hands bringing it to life first. I think for C Collective it's even more because we have so many hand-done processes. I think that's the beautiful thing about apparel, that there's so many people involved in creating what you wear. You wear that garment while living out your life, so you continue the journey of how it was made with you.